Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you should take this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do is you put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it and the slot pops out. So here you should eject SD card and here SD card. And then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also notification saying something like SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.